sort of almost good weather. Going to slip down the hill and go on some tails. Yeah, the trick here is to walk in the middle here because the rest is just iced off. Doesn't look the easiest. Here we go, bit of a wander. Oh, there's so much snow up on here. It's just crazy. These guys won't get out for months. This is like half a metre of snow. Luckily we had the old snow plows come up, but these guys have just been hammered. It's happening to get worse. This was my car park when we were getting the other car park renovated, but now it's just a snowfield. I think Taz about to get drop me off here. Tissue boxes. Yeah, if she can get them here, she'll be okay. Here we go. Slippy times. Yeah, I think the beamer could get up here, but why would I try? I was down here. Oh, this is icy and slippery. Oh, this is not too bad. Over here, it's pretty good. I think the beamer would get up here tomorrow. More snow. I'm just hoping that there's enough snow on this building to actually push it over. It's gone. It's more gone now. Oh no. Okay, the Three Sisters, my favourite corners. It's kind of icy conditions. And this corner's a bit, bit rock and roll for my car. One side's okay. This is 50-50. Okay. Someone's dug all here, which is great. Still have boots. Storm. Bit of carnage. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just crazy. It's on it. Well, the BMW is kind of somewhat uncovered. There was a lot of snow yesterday. It's just nuts. Wow. And this is just going to fall on our heads. Cool. Yeah, just GoPros, man.